My bad, y'all. I'm back. I had to switch memory cards. I really don't know what's going on with the other one, but like I was saying, I pulled that spark plug and it wasn't bad to me, honestly. It wasn't burnt up. Like I said, I haven't ran the truck like that, so I don't expect, you know, anything like that. The truck has been sitting. We are gonna have a video removing the spark plugs, so I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the spark plugs. I got different spark plug sizes to remove them. So removing your spark plugs is, man, it's not hard, man. So like I said, you got YouTube, you got a lot of information on how to remove certain things. So today on the Yukon, we will be doing the fog lights. We will be wiring and rigging that up, and I still have to wash that truck, so we have a video with that. It's been a couple of days. Your boy ain't been uploading. I'm back. I'm bringing y'all this content, and we finna drop some more videos. Of course, I had to order more parts, spark plugs. I am going to paint the interior on the Yukon, so we got some videos coming. I'm gonna bring y'all this content, man. I'm trying my hardest. Appreciate y'all for watching. Keep watching. I am gonna eventually install a catch can on the Yukon, which I don't need to, but I just wanted one. So yeah, so today, as you can see, the motor fogs, we're gonna wire them up. I got the wiring. Bought this from Harbor Freight, so wire cutter, which I already used before. And like I say, man, really this truck, I want to mimic the Rob and Big truck because I really like that show. So this truck is actually that's one of the reasons I bought it, and I also like this year. So yeah, man, we're gonna do that. We're gonna get the engine bay cleaned up. We're gonna clean the interior on this truck, and then we're gonna shoot more videos on getting this single cab started. We gotta get it started. So before it was priming, I started it, it would not turn over, y'all. Am I surprised? No. Of course the truck been sitting. I've been on the road, so usually, you know, I come and start the truck, it'll start, no problem, but it haven't. So your boy gonna get this together, man. Once we get it started, we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna clean this one. I do have some surface rust on the truck I want to get cleaned up. So yeah, man, appreciate y'all for watching your boy. Like I said, I don't care if it's one person, 20 people. I know the channel gonna grow because I'm gonna keep dropping this content, and your boy gonna keep doing this thing, man. But yeah, so I'm gonna set y'all up on the tripod like I always do. I gotta have y'all with me. We're gonna wire up the fog lights. I'm gonna get on the truck, show y'all the process, how I installed them. So I know it's somebody out there that's gonna need that video. And I also gonna remove the rear bumper off of this Denali. Now this year came with molded license plate lights. So the license plate light, of course, on any other GMC, they are like this. They are. Of course, on the on this year Yukon, it's molded. So I don't know, but it looks good. So I gotta take the bumper off, do that, and we're gonna get there with that, man. But yeah, man, thank y'all for watching. We finna get in the video, and we finna install this wiring. And oh yeah, forgot one thing. We do have I think it's called a Hexon or something like that. Don't give me a lot to you. When it come here, we read it, we install it. So basically, that piece, once we install it on the fuse box, when I cut on my headlights or anything like that, it'll run the daylights and it'll run the fog lights. So just a little mod, man. We just getting this truck together, cleaning it up, little TLC we can do to it. We're gonna do that. So thank y'all for watching. The engine bay looks good on this truck, but I am gonna clean it up. I like the factory look, and we're gonna go from there, man. So appreciate y'all. So we back, y'all. We're gonna wire up these fog lights, and we'll go from there. Of course, this is like, I think 50 or 75 feet of wiring, and Yeah, so kind of measure it from here. So I think that'll be good right there. So cut that. Got my wire cutters. Shout out to Harbor Freight. And I believe this wiring is on here 18 gauge. So as y'all can see, let's see if they're getting the 18 gauge. So on here, as you can see right here where it says 22 to 18 gauge. So of course we have our ground, power. This how your boy cut that, kind of get it in between there. As y'all can see, some people twist it, turn it, and go like that. So let's see. That, and then also see if you have problems like that, I can just go down here to where it says 18 or 22 at the bottom, and I just cut it like that. Let's see. And also right here, I'm having problems right there. I just go right here. Bam. Just like that. So, as you can see, you kind of have three, I guess, well, you know, where you got your cut copper only, and it lets you know. And I just went down here and cut it. So, yeah, man. So, that's really it. I'm going to get under the truck. I'm gonna wire this up. After I'm done, I will bring y'all under the truck, off the tripod, to show y'all kind of where the wiring to go. So let's get that done. So I think on this one I'm missing some wiring on this side for the LED light that goes in. But guess what? We're gonna hook this one up and we're gonna see how this one works. So like I say, man, a lot of this stuff is self-explanatory. It's not hard, man. A lot of guys do take their bumper off. I don't see a reason to take my bumper off, but let's see. And as you guys can see, that's how you really want it to look. So let me kind of zoom in. So that's how you want that LED. That's how you want it to look. So yeah, man, that looks good to me. Like I say, I'm gonna wire up the bottom, both sides, and we'll go from there. And your boy be back. So once I get that done, I'll show y'all.